In this video, I'll guide you through how to pay with Google Pay on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just starting out, using Google Pay can streamline your payment process, making it both quick and secure. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to ebay.com. If you haven't already created an account on eBay, you'll need to sign up or log in to proceed with purchasing items. Once you're on the homepage, you can see a search bar at the top. This is where you type in the product you're interested in purchasing. It could be anything from electronics to clothing or even rare collectibles. Once you type in your desired item, hit the Enter key to generate a list of available options. Now that you have a list of potential items, take your time to browse through the selections. Look at the pictures, read the descriptions, and pay attention to the seller ratings to ensure a satisfactory purchase. When you find the product that catches your eye, go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to a detailed page where you can find more information about the item, including shipping details and return policies. Once you're confident with your choice, scan the page for the Buy It Now button. This button allows you to purchase the item immediately without waiting for an auction to end. It's a convenient way to ensure you don't miss out on purchasing the item. Click on Buy It Now to proceed to the checkout page. At the checkout page, you'll see a variety of payment options. Look for the section labeled Pay With and select Google Pay from the list. Choosing Google Pay ensures your payment is processed quickly and securely using the payment information stored in your Google account. If you haven't set up Google Pay yet, you might need to do that first through the Google Pay app or website. But assuming it's set up, this step should be straightforward. With Google Pay selected, you'll see a button that says Buy with Google Pay. Go ahead and click this button. This action will trigger a secure transaction using the payment information linked to your Google Pay account. You might be prompted to verify the payment through your phone, using a fingerprint or a passcode, depending on your device's security settings. This step is crucial as it ensures your transaction is authorized and secure. And there you have it. You've successfully paid for your item on eBay using Google Pay. You should receive a confirmation email from eBay with the details of your purchase. Remember, using Google Pay not only speeds up the payment process, but also adds an extra layer of security to your transactions. If this was your first time using Google Pay on eBay and it was a smooth experience, consider using it for future purchases to save time. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.